Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all ready to go. Well, I've got Bogor, which is south of Jakarta, because I don't want to ride through Jakarta, guys. Worst traffic in the world, like I said in the last video. And for traffic to be worse than Dhaka scares me a bit. So we're going to Bogor. It's 3.5 hours in Google Maps. I'm hoping I can get further than that today, because we've got a long ride to get to Bali before the election. I'll explain again about that. I explained in the last video, but I'll explain again in a little while. Now, yeah, so hopefully we can get a bit further than Bogor, but you never know with this traffic. We shall see. Now about the election, sorry for the guys that watched the last video, have to hear this again, but in a week there's an election, presidential election here. And the Australian government has put out an only essential travel alert, which is one level dip below do not travel. So Janet's really worried. I'm not so worried, but because they're thinking of Jakarta back 10-20 years ago, whatever. But I promised Janet that I'll do my best to be in Bali for that, so I've got about 30 Google Maps hours to do in a week. And with the traffic here, guys, that could be 40 or 50 hours riding. So we've got to get as much miles up every day as we can. And Janet's allowed to say these things. She allows me to do this. I've done some pretty dangerous things, and she lets me do it. But when she says, I want you to do this, I kind of have to do it, guys. It's 10 to 8. It looks like I might have beaten the traffic. It was a late start. I was hoping to get out by 7:30 at the latest, but laziness. But yeah, guys, this is the traffic here yesterday was atrocious. Just took the turn off towards Bogor City. First bit of greenery well, that's an exaggeration, but the first real country I've seen since getting to Java. It's just all been one long line of shops and factories and businesses. Now we're into the greenery again. Yeehaw! And away we go, guys. There won't be too much of this, I don't think. This will just be getting us from one main road to another. But it's better than that traffic. Anything's better than that traffic. It was, and it was only going to get worse the closer we got to Jakarta. But yeah, I was right. There was only maybe 15-20 minutes of that. And the main road's just up here, I think. Yeah, I see people with indicators. I don't really trust them, because if this guy in front of me put his indicator on to turn right, that could mean that he's turning right. It could mean that he wants to pass that truck. It could mean that he wants to pass that truck, but he's just waiting for the opportunity, so he might have his indicator on for 20 minutes. It's so I don't trust indicators in Indonesia. I like this little village, guys. Just this, or city really, town. Just these few trees on the road. So much cooler here than it has been. Makes such a difference. If I wasn't in such a hurry to get out of Java, I'd stop in this town. Seems to be a lot here. Going past museums and things and statues, but we really do have to try and get to Bali before the election. It's just sensible, really. Check this out, guys. No idea what it is. It must be a hotel or something. Unbelievable. This whole area that I've been riding through the last half an hour or so is very, very modern. Just stop for a quick snack. And I hope he doesn't put too much of that chili sauce in, but that's alright. I'll eat it. I put a town in today that was about 3.5 Google Maps. But I've already got there, and it's only not even quite 12 o'clock yet, so I've just put the Bali ferry in, which is pretty much exactly 24 hours away. And I'll just keep riding until I couldn't be bothered anymore. That was a spicy buxo, but it was kind of chili sauce spicy, so it's a fruity sort of spicy. It was alright. My mouth's on fire now though. Ahead of us guys, mountains. Into the tropical mountains of Java. Morning guys. This is where I stayed last night, the Sakura guest house. I've got no idea where it is guys. I'm somewhere on the eastern edge of Jakarta, but where exactly I don't know. I've got Cirebon in Google Maps today, which is about 5.5 hours. That's good timing to get to Bali in time. But for now, let's get some miles up. Big day today guys, 5.5 hours. That could mean anything, 7 or 8 hours in this traffic, but it is only 7 o'clock. So we got a nice early start. Let's get some miles up before the traffic. Oh, that was a really comfy sleep guys, great Wi-Fi. It was, I couldn't turn the aircon off though, so I woke up about 5 o'clock this morning, freezing. But some of these aircons in the hotels, you've got to push 2 buttons to turn it off. I remember having one in Pakistan that was the same, but I couldn't work it out this morning. But just when the owner woke up, I came and told him, and he just walked in, pushed 2 buttons and turned it off. So, but yeah, it was icy. Well guys, this is just a restaurant or a marriage hall or something. Oh no, there's a swimming pool there. Might be a resort with rooms, I'm not sure. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Traditional. Wow. Oh well, I'm not complaining where I stayed. It was only like $10 US. If this is a hotel, it'll be a lot more. But very, very nice. Oh, traffic guys. Luckily we're kind of following the toll road, so most of the cars are on the toll road. But yeah, what a morning. I've done I've done over an hour's Google Maps, so that's okay. I don't want to jinx myself by saying this, but I think maybe we're out of the Jakarta traffic. Let's hope this keeps up. If this keeps up, I'll make really, really good time. Happy days, guys, happy days. The shop next to where I stayed last night had soda water. I just found soda water on my first stop today, so I'm happy. I am. Oh, guys. This road, I hope it keeps up, because it's a really, really nice road. I can sit on 70 or 80, get some miles up for the day. I've got about 3 hours and 20 minutes on where I'm going on Google Maps, but it's still pretty early. What time is it? Let me check. It's still only 8:30. So I might be able to get there. I should be able to get there before 12, and if that's the case, I'll keep on going, guys. Get heaps of miles up today. My butt's dealing with it very well, so why not? And when I showed you my new bag in the last video, the zip broke on my old one, so I got a new one. And I told you I didn't like the colour, but that's because it's blue and yellow. And anyone from Australia, or especially from Western Australia, knows that blue and yellow is the worst combination of colours on the planet. Well guys, since I've been in Indonesia, there was one Indomart or Alphamart, I can't remember which one, that had soda water. So I've been going there every time. They've always usually got seats outside to sit, have a bit of a break. But they've never got soda water. And I found out yesterday, 2 of the little shops in the town I was in yesterday had soda water, and the little shop I just stopped at then, which was next door to Indomart, they had it as well. So I've been missing out on soda water when I didn't have to. I'm from Australia, and I just stopped for some breakfast, guys. I'm having bakso, you know that's my favourite. And this young girl sat down and talked to me incredible English. She said she wanted to travel. I said, well, do it then. And we've been sitting here discussing travel and things, and I hope one day she'll message me and say, oh Paul, I'm in Manila or something. I hope one day. Say hello. What nice people. I really don't want to leave, but I have to get some miles up. I don't know what made me stop there, guys. I actually turned around here at this island, went back to that restaurant. I'm so glad I did. That young girl, perfect English, just learned from high school. I'm the first foreigner she's actually spoken to. It's amazing, guys. The family, I had a bakso and 2 coffees, and then the dad just turned up with another bakso and wouldn't take any more money. Whoa! Really made my day. Well, the town I was planning on, I had in Google Maps today, turn left here, but it's still an hour and 20 minutes away, and I put in the Bali ferry, and that's straight ahead. Hello! So we're not going to that town. YouTube channel here. YouTube, take. Yep. YouTube. Okay. We're in. I think this place is called Tegal. I'll correct myself later if I'm wrong. But the little red flag just came up, so I'm nearly at my hotel. And 2 minutes away is a steakhouse, so we might be having a steak for dinner, guys. Today was a big long ride. I think I've done about 7 Google Maps hours, but I could be wrong. It might be 6. I'll check that when I get to my hotel. It's been a big day anyway. It's about 2:30 now. I left the hotel at 7:30, so it's been a big day. My butt hurts a bit, but it could be a lot worse. And we're getting closer and closer to Bali every kilometre. Well guys, this is where I'm staying, the Royal Inn in Tegal. It was Tegal. I ended up doing today about 7.5 hours real time and about 6.5 hours Google Maps hours. So it was a big day, but I'm feeling much better. The room up here is tiny. I've never seen such a small bed, but it's comfortable. Great shower. But anyway, I'm going to wander up here, see what I can find, have a look up here, see what there is, and then maybe I might go up to that steak restaurant. The people at the hotel said it is pretty good. I'm just going to have a wander up here and see what there is. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.